Hello. This time I wanted to record kind of a quick tip. Basically, I'm creating a CAN HDA, right? And I want to apply texture to it. Well, I could use path directly to the file in my disk, but what if this file is a bit wrong, like this? And I would need to crop it. So I use Copernicus, I load my file, I crop it out. Okay, everything is nice. And how would you apply it properly? Well, basic logic would be with like this, the relative path to copy that. But it doesn't work. Absolute path also doesn't work. Why is that? Because this texture map field tries to evaluate it as a path directly to the file on your disk. So what do? You can use OP for this. But the thing is that OP works with absolute path. So it does work now, but if we would copy this setup into some other network, or if you would use it as an HDA, it's not gonna work. So what do? We use OP backtick OP full path. Basically this time OP full path evaluates this into an absolute path and then OP reads it. It's a bit funky, but it works. So yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to share today. Thanks for your attention.